We've been slowly getting into Team Fortress thanks to Kowalski. Appreciates it big time. Oh, this is on their official channel. Ooh. Let's subscribe. Let's like. Here we go. Whoa, what is this? Man vs. Machine. Is this an MV? This is the OG hero shooter, yeah? Crazy. I'll see. Okay, okay. Bro, I'm getting that War of the World vibes here. Oh, shoot. Oh, damn. Oh. Wait, what? They're on the same side? What the heck? Is this PvPvE? This is zombie mode? Horde mode? A raid? I'm actually so curious to see why they've teamed up. Who are these guys? Oh, robot versions of themselves? It is PvE. Damn. Guy's pretty sick. Wow. Man versus machine. Okay. Co-op. Oh, look at that. It is a horde mode. Wave defense for more than horde mode. Oh, ooh. With a boss as well. Damn, that is sick. That is sick. I've always been I mean, guys, I'm a Destiny main. Like, Destiny is my main FPS, right? So I love raid style, boss mode, gameplay kind of things. Co-op stuff as well, especially. That's crazy. Never played the game, but the memes are golden. I'm in the same boat. I've never played the game, but I know like of memes and stuff, of the memes. That's great, man. Yeah, it's OG, bro. This is like the OG hero shooter. That's crazy. Yeah, there's a PvE mode, wave defense. Nice, nice, nice. Very cool. Very cool. Now what do we have? The sound of medicine. Damn. Oh, ouch. Oh no. Oh no. Did you just get rezzed? Oh shoot.
Oh man. Everyone, behind me! Incoming!
Is that like new abilities for the doctor class? The medic class? Oh shoot.
This will help.
Damn.
Another successful procedure.
Oh, he was not in here. He was actually not. Oh, right. I love the meet the episode. We watched that last time, actually. We watched it in the previous stream, yeah. Oh, right. So Medic wasn't in PvE until now. Oh, I guess it was just the other ones that we saw in the previous video. Right. That's crazy. Okay.
You are king. Dream, 조선은 탄조, 조선은 조리어 받고. 드라마실로 스스밤에 지켜도 말해 비가 하나 사간 슬가시 바나시 카나 스토리 원하시 drop. Yeah, I'm not tied to all you king. I do it for the fam, I do it for the team. Yeah, I do it with my hands. Team one till we're hand and all you got to eat so three right you poke time the fam. Got verse got so too. Back at either time to go through. Got side dollar don't know me Joe. We all want explosion. Bam. No doubts the bills are cruising. Pure cash from the white that I'm moving. Never losing. Self-care with the yellow make it for the bleeding and bruising.